Welcome to our comparison video, where we will take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the Anypro portable washing machine and the Mihiki portable washing machine. We'll dive into their specifications, features, and pricing to help you determine which one is right for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about capacity. The Anypro portable washing machine has a washing capacity of 17.8 pounds, making it suitable for larger loads, while the Mihiki portable washing machine has a capacity of 13 liters, which is ideal for smaller, delicate items. If you frequently wash larger loads, the Anypro might be the better choice for you. Next, let's compare the features. The Anypro offers 10 wash programs and 8 water levels, providing versatility for different types of laundry. In contrast, the Mihiki has a simpler design with only 3 modes. If you prefer a machine with more options, the Anypro is the way to go. Finally, let's discuss pricing. The Anypro is priced at $199, making it a more significant investment, while the Mihiki is much more affordable at $59. If you're on a budget or need a machine for light use, the Mihiki could be the better option. In conclusion, both the Anypro and Mihiki portable washing machines have their unique advantages. The Anypro is perfect for those who need a larger capacity and more features, while the Mihiki is ideal for those looking for a compact and budget-friendly option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.